Just arrived. Want to feel like you've won the lottery? This vehicle will give you just a feeling you want, but the only thing your long-lost relatives will be after is ride a winning value. Gas Miser. 38 mpg highway safety equipment includes ABS traction control, curtain airbags, passenger airbag, knee airbags, driver and passenger. It is nicely equipped. Manual transmission, air conditioning, 1.2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 84 horsepower tilt steering wheel. Disclaimer: all prices and payments, tax, title, license, lien, doc fee, $199. Security deposit, acquisition fee, freight extra. Customer must qualify for all incentives, which are subject to change by the manufacturer without notice. All special APR payments and financial bonuses are subject to credit approval. Customer may be required to lease. All special APR in lieu of rebate. All incentives applied. College grad rebate program requires proof of graduation from 2 or 4-year accredited college, university or reg. Nursing program within the next 6 months or 2 years of receipt of your degree in finance or lease. Certain restrictions may apply per manufacturer and require the use of certain financial services. Military rebate program. Customer must be current active duty status in the U.S. military or a U.S. military in active reserves that are part of the individual ready reserve. Verifiable proof of military status or proof of active service required at time of purchase. Certain restrictions may apply per manufacturer and require the use of certain financial services. See dealer for complete details. Not all customers will qualify for all incentives and/or discounts.